Guys, let's dig into this today. We have this with us today, and you want to know what's in it? Let's see what we have in here today. We have these deep dish Detroit style pizzas all the way from Manchester, and we're gonna dig into it. These pizzas, they're absolutely really delicious. Let's get into this. So we have 4 slices of deep dish Detroit style pizzas with us. I think we have a pepperoni. That's that there. We should have we have different pizzas in here. I'm actually confused as to what is what. As I said, it's a takeout order. That is a burrata. That's a burrata on top of it. We bought 4 different pizzas. We have the pepperoni, we got the calipeps, we got the jabba, and we got the Korean barbecue pork or something like that. I love this place. It's Ramona. It's in Manchester. So let's get into the first bite. Let's get into that. Ooh. Let's get into that. I had to come back with a bang. Ooh. Look at that. Oh my goodness. Oh my god. Oh my god, that's so good. Oh my god. It's a jabba. We're gonna taste it. Has a bit of spice and kick to it. You can see has some jalapenos. I love these deep dish pizzas from this place. It's packed. Look at that, all of that. I've told you which ones I got, but all the ones I've mentioned are good. I'm growing old. I can't remember everything I got, but this looks like it has pepperoni. It has some. That's a burrata. I had to heat it up, so it's kind of like oozing out. But let's bite into that. This is gonna be a nice cheese pull. In 3, 2, 1, bite. Not a lot of cheese. This is a short video. I just wanted to wish you all a happy new year. Enjoy 2025. It's gonna be endless possibilities. 2024 has been a ride for me, but I feel this would be a safe space for me to come back to and put all my efforts into it into 2025. I've been here for a very long time, and I do appreciate everyone who's been here. So let's bite into the future for 2025.